Every time you Kabaka, every time me. If I catch you, you know me now.
When I see this man where they here, now that they call Ogbeti one of the universe. Omagbabeva, Yokbawano, Okbanu Selu, again, Yenakina. That be this one. So, my people, about 2 days ago, a day ago, Abba can't do video. He can't dey shout update. I know say na so update na dey all do a shouting. He said they don't hold Tony Kabaka. They don't hold EFCC don't arrest her. Make una come o. He can't dey shout say make we come watch. Now we can't say what did Tony Kabaka can't do? Everybody got really go show. Before we dey even the watch and finish, Tony Kabaka don't do video come out for ask that the other side say make una no mind that Ogbeti o. Say EFCC call am, ask am question. You know now, Abba said the whole am. Not be smart yo. He said they don't put am for inside kiri. They don't throw away key. He no go come back again. Not be smart thing. Wetin Abba not talk. Not be small. Everybody come dey shout say hey oh. So we no come see Tony Kabaka again now. Wetin happen? Wetin he do? He egbama wa. Amate egbama wa. Now when you buy person, they'll just carry you go put you for kiri. Everybody call they ask question. No knowing say Abat no say now where you want find money to eat. Obazee Obewe one of UK. On Yokba Ogbeti Ogbewe. No knowing say now only question I they answer Tony Kabaka. Now everybody can say Tony Kabaka don't do video. I been an old video. Una know the way social media be. Before you know, Tony don't bring another video, which I go put for una make una listen. He don't do video, can't give her back. Una know say when about they drag down, they see your boss your way. Tony knows the answer. You know the great answer like just leave her because everybody come they look and say he get cro and get a kilometer for brain. Even looking at him, you go no. About now 43 years old. Or may I say 45 years? If you see about now, you see another people where be say that they the same age with about you. They ask say about where sure you sure say now that one I be your age. About may take your man. In winner, now you make about come your man. Come be like man or 70 years old. So as we are saying, my people. So now Tony Kabaka come do video. Come tell and say about anywhere where he for catch you, he go break your head. He say don't take away, you don't they play with her. You don't they use and take they do carriage capture for social media. This time around, I wait I buku your wakon. Hey, una know say about now you go come out. And they say me I not come be near again. They say me I not come again. Because why? Because you don't they draw everybody. You know why hear words. To the extent, Tony Kabaka can say he want go meet his parents for house. Anyway, I'll do video apart for that one. So, Abat where be say na he be senior. He know the hear word though. If you say come up for there, he go the other side. Or ga where wo gi. Or ga yume. Wa where wume, he go follow another side. He know the hear. No be say all that thing not there for Abba to do. He just want make you just they use all those people where be say Tony Kabaka, Boston because of saying they power now. He want make they call their name, make they drag them. I never know about him. Ogbeti one. Omagbabeva. Now only one night day. If you see another Ogbeti, just know say that one they left for where about them. Now he carry the award though. He just want me they drag them so that people will be say if they give the respect, he go come they look they say he did this one, he this one. Now so he still talk for a Boston. Oh, now remember. Oh, wow, go. Hey, breaking news, your wade oh, that oh, they don't throw away a Boston for Krikrio. They don't throw away Kio. He no go come out again. Now that one come sit us say, make una see me see wahala oh. Now question and they say make I come oh. Now I go tell, now I go answer. And this about not get sense so. People where they give you all those information, they sit down for a side, they know they use their take the shadow. They know they cause their papa or cause their wife. You where be say you come here, where one go. You go carry because of say you want to do politics. Politics no money no day again. So if they find way where you want to drag all those people, may put them for inside poto. Make I put this video for my people. Make una hear. Wait till Tony Kabaka talk. about they come and make come tell us say una see na they power they say make I not come. Now so you see they do and that time if I hear am for your mouth where give me rema now because you tell it and no me go say if he come the time where your papa Obazee dey power you remember anybody where you talk you say make they not come. Is that is your talk? Oh yes we gbene na so it be. Make I put this video, make una see the message where Tony Kabaka send go give Ogbeti one of UK. You know the answer am before, but this one he forced to answer Ogbeti one of UK. Una bye. Please send me to love and like and share this video. About we there here for you. If you cry, come and say they say me you know enter Benin. Aish, you know say me you not call or worry waiting at home or wakon ye vie wobo. Then na connect be. Hell, where ya me and then one your wobo or wakon your wobo. Then na konya. Come in, okay. Una bad by my people.
Which Kabaka about? He said me dead detention. Normally, I want to say something here.
You know, today remains the 27th day of May, on a Tuesday, Children's Day. I'm here already, and this is Tony Kabaka that Abba said has been arrested by the EFCC.
My brothers and sisters, I don't like doing all these things before, but that idiot is pushing me. My message to Abba, you're listening. Make you feel safe, make your mind for day. You don't do many atrocity. Nobody talk to you. Abba, I swear, if you insult me again, I'll go your papa, your mama house. Abba, because they know they fit talk to you. Your papa, your mama, I be like say they'll feed it. Make you know as it be, Abba. Now me take the shine. Every time you Kabaka, every time me. Abba ya mueya akma. If I catch you, you know me now. You know how many times you don't use that your knee beg me follow everywhere if you come. Even when you're useless Obazee dey government. When I dey street, if I catch you for street, you they use your knee, not to win on. Iya muewona, not that law. I will let you know which Kabaka about. He said me dead detention. Normally, I want to say something here. Is it bad if you are invited by EFCC? Am I above the law? No, I'm not above the law. EFCC invited me. I went there. They asked me question about this video. A video that concerns Mary B marriage. So that is the video that Abba started trending, and the one of Agbapa Olita and Akbe's father's burial. 3 video. I went there to defend it. I went there. Really, that video is long before Obazee was arrested. When Obazee was arrested, I think since then everybody changed the narrative of spring money. Yeah. You understand? Because we now know that this law is very serious. So for you, Abat, to come and be bringing, you are not the one telling EFCC what to do. EFCC don't even watch your page. EFCC, they are doing their job, normal duty. Am I above the law? Abat. I was invited by EFCC. I went there for questioning. After everything, my lawyer took me on bail. I came back home. You started doing video that I'm on detention. Abat. Obame awawe don kabazo. Obame awawe. Nuke ziba, nuke gbe. Mewe gbe kan. Ya ne mani redu. Ya tamaw. Ya ne rano migo. Ogwegwa. We. Abat. Wesha. Ewebo why you are not coming to Nigeria again. The way I look at you. You have been insulting everybody. Even to the palace. You. Don't worry. I'm waiting for you one day so that we jump one-on-one. Let me break your wrist. I break your jaw. You know me now. Can I describe myself for you again about? That is it. The answer is no. Until when you fall back, may God let you fall back home. May God bring you back home one day. May one thing bring you to Nigeria. Then you know you are talking to. You get where you're doing rich now. Your papa, your mama go feed the heat for my hand. I go your past, your mama's. I go weird then. You go know say na Kabaka you dey find trouble. Cause I your quiet, she say I be fool, abi.